In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the month function here in Google Sheets. So this function returns the month of the year a specific date falls in numeric format. So if you want to know which month this date belongs to, let's go ahead and do that. Start with your equal sign, type in month or select it right here, then select your cell reference. You already have a preview right there. If we press enter, so that is the number 10, which is the numerical format for the month of October. If we try and drag this formula down and figure out the month for the next date, it will still be the same thing, just a different format. So if I double click on this, there we have it. There we go. Those are dates. If we try and drag this same formula all the way down, you'll encounter some value errors because these ones right here are not formatted as dates. So this one is just a text string. It's not an actual date, even though it says October. It will not recognize it as a date. And for this one right here, if we double click on it, again, it's not showing us that pop-up calendar because we have a different format where the day comes first before the month. And for the rest, if we double click on them, we get our calendar. And again, we have the numeric format of our month, which is number 10. Now, a great example where you can see this function used would be in another video I created, which is called Create a Dynamic Filter here in Google Sheets. I will be leaving a card at the top right corner for you to check out later. So let me show you another example where we can use the month function within our other formulas. We have here some names and some birth dates. What I want to do is to filter this data where I want those people celebrating their birthdays this month appear right here on this side. So we're going to do that with the use of the filter and the month function. So let's start a formula. Start with your equal sign, type in filter, or select it right here. Then we have our syntax. So we're going to select our range. This is the range that we want to filter, comma. Then we have our condition. So for our condition, we're going to be using our month function. So type in month, or again, select it right there. Select this range. Close that off. Would be equal to, again, another month function. Would be equal to the month of today. So that's type in today. There we go. If we press enter, there we have it. We have filtered our data to show only the people who will be celebrating their birthdays this month of October. And there you have it. That's how to use the month function here in Google Sheets. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do leave a like and subscribe for more helpful videos. See you on the next one.